All right, returning client. So you were describing.
Oh yes. When I'm watching Netflix, it brings negative pictures.
Negatives.
You remember those negatives in the 19s?
Black and white.
Yes. So when I'm watching Netflix in the dark, when there's no light, it brings negatives. I can't see the pictures
How about
properly.
normal video?
Normal video in light it shows, but even like when I'm like, let's say, trying to take a snap,
Okay.
but when it's dark, I can't see, like it won't be this clear. When it's dark, it shows negatives.
Can I simulate darkness?
Yes, you can simulate darkness and you see.
I'm drawing the curtain. Other than
Another problem was the photos. Let's say I have this photo and I want to edit it. I come here and let's say I say auto. I will have to press done, like it's not responding. Like the upper part is cancel, it's not responding.
Oh, okay. So I think there, what I'm going to do is check the connector for the touch screen, okay, the touch layer, because normally it implements two connectors, the LCD or display fiber and then the touch fiber. So it could explain why there's reduced sensitivity at the top part. More so around the done area?
Here, yeah, done and cancel.
Okay, let me get into that
this
now.
This one can respond done.
Okay. Okay, so we are going to proceed, and having done that, let's get the phone going. I want to see what we do here. Now, I'm going to have to shut it down. That means hit the power button. Where are we? Here. Oh, I'm still stuck in the old days. So this slide. Alright. Now since I'm going to be cleaning, normally we are going to share the seat. One bat at a time. Hey. Okay, there's also there.
Problem that I had.
You're not yet on the queue. Guminkiriza. Guminkiriza.
I wanted to tell you this as if it looks as if it is sorted because it was refusing to power.
Oh, yeah, my room is a blessed room. You won't be the first
No, it's okay.
to heal by reaching here. All right, so we want to get to the phone and check the connector for the touch screen layer. And okay, now remove this. All right.
Sure.
Okay, that's out. Okay, remove this. Okay, and then okay, now that's that. And then I'm going to do this. Okay, all right. Okay, unplug here. How you guys feel free to go on. Me have no problem.
Inconveniencing your video.
Don't worry. The video is for people, by people. Okay. No, democratic person. People for the people. Why are you people powering me? I also need a future self. And eat good things from me.
Oh, you are the MK group.
By the way, that's the number. It's wisdom.
It has some future.
Yeah. Okay, now we are interested in which line. Right. Tin tin tin, tin tin tin, da da, la la la. Okay, let me just be certain to clean all. Okay, and there. Okay, okay, all right. Okay, open that. Okay. There. Okay. Okay. You had the shots. Damali, why are you using too much Queen English and accent?
I had shots. I don't know why.
Shades.
Yes.
That with your skin tone, eh?
Hey,
You'll kill it when you're in shades.
really?
Yes. For us, we're dark. Ah.
Would you?
They think we are soldiers when we. And,
I don't know why I had shots, but
probably she made have said shots, meaning to say shades.
actually, I had shots. I did not.
But I think I also had shots. Yeah, damn, you made an error. Because even in my mind, honestly, I was like, she has diversified, yes.
I can expand and you can expand and you take it to another level.
What do you think? Should I expand?
I don't know. You see,
If these ones are working for you, it is better you first specialize.
Yeah, I'm trying to specialize on that.
and then tap that market and be like, by the way, I have shots that complement the shades. Okay, so I'm cleaning the terminals. That side is done. Now the next thing is for the display. Okay, the fibers coming from the screen, display and touch. Okay, all right. So I think that appears to be sufficient. All right. Forgot to unplug the battery, but lucky enough, this liquid is non-polar.
Just get me the rubber.
Or if it is, very subtly so. Okay. Now that that's that, we are then going to plug. How many things do you carry in your bag?
Are you talking for me?
Yes.
You know, a girl needs to eat nice food, a girl needs to pay her bills, a girl needs to...
No, why I'm saying that is I've also seen scenarios whereby when things be squeezing against the phone, so the screen side should always face the most flat surface. Like if you have a black book, the screen faces it at those pressing forces are not taken up. All right, so now we're going to plug in and then but unfortunately I'd forgotten to plug out the battery. Let me unplug it now and then put back this connector where right there. Okay, that is done. And then we bring this in there. Having done that, then that, and then we can bring in our battery, but let's give it a minute to evaporate. Okay, so plug that in and then we power and test the touch. Then closing is just a simple part. Okay, so we are powering on to test, and then we eventually put this there. Okay, it's putting up. Meanwhile, this is the iPhone. This is which iPhone again?